Hello friends, it is Running Kimono. I hope you're all doing great. Today's video we're going to talk about the best gain deals for the week of February the 21st over at the Dollar General. And Saturday the 27th, when these two babies stack, well, that's when the magic happens. To talk a little bit about some ground rules. So obviously the 27th, which is Saturday, when you could pair the 5 off of 25 and the 5 off of 30 together, get $10 of savings on a $30 gain basket. That's where it's at. I can't recommend it enough for you to really pay attention. Use the Dollar General app to scan everything in store. Some of these prices are Michigan prices, so if you're living in a different part of the United States, it might be a little bit more, a little bit less. Back to that point about paying attention, that's why you got to be on your A game for this. All digital coupons are also of a one-time use. If you used that 5 off of 30 last week, you can't use it twice. Any issues you have at checkout, don't be shy to void your transactions as well. And just to show you guys, the last time I went and did one of these, it was like a 5 off of 20 with the 5 off of 25 on Saturday. Boom, I got both of them to stack. I got some other clearance items. This was actually the last clearance event last month. But there's a bit of razzle dazzle and magic to the 5 off of 30. So sometimes you got to take these big risks to get a basket for very little out of pocket, and that's what it's all about over at the Dollar General. And if you missed my video from yesterday, I'll link it at the very end. There's going to be a clearance event this Friday, Saturday, and Sunday over at the Dollar General, where items that are in the clearance section or marked for clearance will be an additional 50% off with coupons and the 5 off of 25 and other things. You can make a lot of deals happen. So I will link this video at the very end. It has nothing to do with this gain video, but if you just love a deal, you're going to want to check out this video. Okay, deal number one. Every deal in this video is 100% digital. We're going to need our two cornerstones, which is the 5 off of 30. So please make sure you have all of these loaded. And as you can see, this one expires on Saturday, so use it or lose it. And the 5 off of 25. So you need these two cornerstones loaded. First item that we're grabbing for this basket is one of these gain flings for $3.95. We have a $1 digital coupon. Please make sure you have that guy loaded. It showed up last Sunday, so how wonderful is that? We're also going to grab one liquid detergent. And as you can see, this bozo is $6.95. There's a $2 digital coupon. Here's the $2 digital. I don't know why it's a bozo, just funny word. And then we're also going to grab one of these 200 counts of these dryer sheets for $6.95. We have this very generous $2 off coupon, so hopefully you have it. And it is for this precise box, 200 dryer sheets of the gain. We're going to grab one of these Mr. Cleans for $3 on the nose. Please make sure you're grabbing the one with the gain logo on the bottle. And we have the $1 coupon and the 5 off of 30, so you know you're grabbing the right one. And then we're going to grab two of these card clips for $5 each. Hopefully you can find them, scan them to make sure you're grabbing the right one, so you could see that the $3 off of 2 is attaching with this price. Okay guys, so looking at the mathematics for this basket, one of the gain flings 14 count is $3.95. One gain detergent at $6.95. That is a larger bozo bottle. One gain dryer sheet 200 count is $6.95. One Mr. Clean with gain for $3. Two Febreze, those double packs of the gain car clips, $10 on the nose. So the total for this basket is $30.85. 5 off of 25 and the 5 off of 30 are coming off, along with $9 in digital manufacturers that I showed you in the slides previous. You're left with paying $11.85 out of pocket. This does not include your tax for the 6 items, shaking it out to $1.97 per product. Not bad. Now, Pumpkin wanted to come on here to answer a quick little question for you guys, because I know a lot of you will ask, like, when do I punch in my phone number? How do I do this? Now, he told me specifically how he does it, and he has the most amount of success is when the cashier starts scanning the item, that's when you'll punch it in. Also, Pumpkin has, the cashier scanned all the items and then punched in his phone number after that. It works as well, or you could punch it in at the front. It really doesn't matter. Just get your phone number in before the cashier presses the total button, or you'll have zero savings. But I know a lot of you are pretty worried about that. But with the 100% digital deal, hopefully it'll work out. The best thing to do, obviously, is to use the Dollar General app to make sure that that 5 off of 30 is attaching to the product. Sometimes certain scents don't attach with that digital coupon for whatever reason, and that's when you run into a bit of monkey business. So hopefully this was crystal clear. Okay, next deal that we have again, 100% digital. So if you have a really strict store, these digital deals are the best because what can they do? Help you bring everything out to your car. We're going to need our 5 off of 30. Make sure you have that guy loaded along with the 5 off of 25. Sorry, guys, I'm in a kind of a goofy mood today while I'm recording this. So you get what you get. First item that we're going to grab is 2 of these for $6.95. They are the bags, the larger bags of the Gain Fling. So if you like it, this is a really good deal. And we have this wonderful 3 off of 2 digital coupon. It showed up a couple weeks back, so hopefully you have that guy loaded. I believe these are the 24 count, so they are attaching with. We're going to grab one of these $6.95 detergents, whichever scent you want. This Aloha one is attaching with that digital coupon, which is this one, a $2 off, and that's a 70 ouncer of the detergent. So, yeah, there you have that. And then we're going to grab 2 of these car clips for $5 on the nose. And then we have this wonderful 3 off of 2. So let's take a look at the mathematics for this one. 2 bags of the Gain Fling 26 count. At $6.95 a pop is $13.90. 1 Gain detergent at $6.95. 2 of the Febreze with the Gain car clips, so those double packs at $5 a pop is $10. So the total here is $30.85. Punch in your phone number. 5 off of 25 and the 5 off of 30 are coming off, along with $8 of digitals that I showed you in the slides previous. You're left with paying $12.85 out of pocket for the 5 items, shaking it out to $2.57 per product. Okay, the last deal that we have, again, 100% digital. So let's go through this. You're going to need the following boosters loaded, which is your 5 off of 25 for Saturday. So get your butt to the store on that Saturday. If not, it'll be an extra $5, along with the 5 off of 30. So have these 2 boosters loaded. First item that we're going to grab is one of these detergents for $6.95. And it's the larger one. We have this $2 digital that's attaching, which is wonderful. So you're going to need to load that coupon. We're also going to grab 3 of these dryer sheets, the 200 counters. We're going to need the following digitals, the 2 off and the 3 off of 2. We're also going to need this guy for $3.95, a bag of the flings. And then we're going to have this magical dollar coupon loaded. Okay, guys, let's take a quick look at the mathematics for this one. 1 of the Gain detergents, the liquid, for $6.95, that bottle. And 3 of the 200 counters of the dryer sheets at $6.95 a pop is $20.85. And then 1 Gain Fling 14 count for $3.95. So the total for your basket is $31.75. Make sure you punch in your phone number. 5 off of 25 and the 5 off of 30 are coming off, along with $8 of digital manufacturer coupons. You're left with paying $13.75 out of pocket for the 5 items, shaking each item out to $2.75 per product. If you consider that those dryer sheets are almost $7 a box, this is not a bad little basket. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.